Hello everyone, it's Monday again and welcome back to Mental Pick. So for today's Amazon leads, we got a total of 43 deals, 24 coming from Amazon OA and then 19 coming from Amazon RA. So let's check some of our deals today, starting off with this deal from Beauty Bay wherein you could earn a profit from this Max Satin 8.78 with an ROI of 41%. Another one, let's check from Jellycat this croissant wherein you could earn a profit of 6.86 with an ROI of 38%. There you go. And here are the rest of the websites that you should check for our deals today. All right. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you these choices. Review giveaways, affiliate income, and bounty bonus. So if you're interested, feel free to check them out for you to earn free extra money from us. So we got you a bot operated channel, which is the Amazon to Amazon monitoring or A2A flips, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drops from Amazon that you could sell to Amazon as well. Check them out, guys, if you're into flipping. Next is this price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drop of these websites. So check them out as well. And lastly, our general and Amazon community, wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and, of course, share your achievements with. That would be all for a recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day ahead. Bye, everyone.